स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today's video is all about the Christ University 2021. So guys, what exactly the selection process of Christ University is? You have to give the CUET, then the micro presentation part, and then the PI, that is nothing but the personal interview. So all these things have a certain weightage for this selection process. Then finally you will enter into the Christ University. So guys, with respect to the micro presentation part, I already made a separate video on that, so you can watch that video too. Now in this video we'll talk about what are the aspects, what are the things to be remembered for micro presentation part and the personal interview. So stay tuned. So very first one guys, this is our new YouTube channel named Manu BBA Entrance, which is specific to all BBA entrance exams such as IPMAT, ANPAT, SET, CUET, DUJAT, IPCET, St. Xavier's and CUCET. So if you are preparing for any of these exams, you will get the best coaching from Manu Education. Call board line number 8285814555. Now link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Now guys, if you have certain doubts and queries, ask me in the below comment section, as your exam will be held on the 21st of March. So only few days are remaining guys. Now focus on your CUET, also with respect to the micro presentation part and the personal interview. So what exactly the micro presentation part is and what exactly the personal interview. So guys, if you want a detailed info about the micro presentation part, I already made the video on the same, so you can watch that video too. Now moving to the personal interview, then stay tuned. If you talk about the micro presentation part, guys, one quality you should have, and that is nothing but the public speaking quality. So if you have a public speaking quality, then enhance it. And suppose if you have some phobia of public speaking, then is it means you can never speak in front of interviewers? Just think, as they all are the listeners. They will listen whatever you say. They will judge you. So you have a certain time span when you will start and when they will start judging you. So in between this you have a certain time span. So you have to grab that opportunity, because if you are nervous, scratching your head, fumbling, bungling, whatever you are doing, they will just observe you. So utilize that time, prepare for your topic first. So whatever time you will get, 30 seconds, get the hot topics, prepare for the topic, get your base, add some advice in it, some quote in it, define the topic, what exactly the adjective of the topic will be, and define the motto of the topic, or you can say that any advice, the important feature of that topic, and how you will end that particular topic. So these all are the things you should remember with respect to the micro presentation part. And guys, always create an imaginary perception of tough things like this in front of you. So if you will create that imaginary perception that it is so simple, yeah guys, I can easily do it, then the messengers will act accordingly. They will send a message to your brain, yes, I can do this. So thus your voluntary or involuntary muscles will try to solve that particular thing. So always create an imaginary perception, yes, I can do it, it is very easy, and try for it. Once you will try, you will fail. Second thing, again try again, and then definitely you will get some ideas how to solve it, and then easily you can solve it. So don't be nervous while public speaking. Have some confidence in you. Whatever you will do, they will observe you. They are so friendly. Don't worry about that. Simple, frame your thoughts and add some valuable points in it, because that will create the great impact of your personality. So create your zone. Give the practical answers which will make them curious to know more about you, and therefore you have to put all your past experiences. So they will think, yes, this student has some idea with respect to this particular topics, and yes, he is prepared for this particular topic. So enhance your thoughts and collect all the valuable points. Be aware to the current affair parts. Now if we talk about the personal interview, then how exactly you will start, what will be the body of your phrases, and how you end your interview. So know about it, because you have to hit here. So create a version 2.0 of yours. So the interviewers might be ask you, tell me about yourself. Second thing, why this course and why the Christ University? Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years? So you should prepare for some of these hot topics. Very first one, the interview's most asked question is, tell me about yourself. So how you will prepare for this particular topic? So get some tips. Keep positive energy throughout the process. Practice in front of the mirror. Give short answers. Make yourself unique. Tell about your background first. Then about the achievements, about the goals, and justify why you are here. Okay, why you are in Christ University. Also justify this. And say the hit line in such a way that they should ask on that particular topic also. So whatever you have prepared, you have to show that also. Now if they are asking about yourself, then it should be a short answer and it should be impactful. So take 1 to 1.5 minutes only, not more than this. Now if they are asking why this course and why Christ University, tell them first about the college brand and the college tag. What will this create? If you pursued any of the course and if you went, then definitely you are on the success path. Now why this? Then tell them about the ranking of the Christ. What exactly the course value is, about the faculty, overall academics, various events, functions, about the infrastructure, and about the placement. So you have to say some of the impactful. You can also talk about the ROI, as the Christ University is expensive, but definitely it will give you some great packages, so you will also get the good return on the investment. So talk about it. Talk about the diversity of the courses, the facilities they are offering, and the campus. Why particular campus? Why Bangalore campus instead of Delhi and the Pune? So if you are looking for Pune campus, then tell about the facilities of the Pune campus. So some valuable point about this particular place, and you should cover all these particular points. So guys, this is the technique how you should start, what are the body of the content, and how you should aim the particular topics. Now if we talk about the micro presentation part, then yes, it will last for 2 minutes, but the personal interview, that will affect more because it has more weightage, so you have to crack that also. So if you are looking for the proper materials for the preparation of PI or personal interview, guys, come at manuaedu.com, then come to the buy online section, then BBA entrance. Now on the sectional course, scroll down, and here it is, the Christ University entrance 2021, the personal interview. So just click on view details, you will get the 9 video lectures and the 1 handout. So that will cover the objective of the interview, what interviewer look at during interview, body language, things to avoid during interview, dressing for the D-Day, you should wear the formal dress, how to enter and exit, how to create your best impression, do's for interview and don'ts for interview. So get overall info about the personal interview for the Christ University. So guys, add this package in your cart and prepare for the personal interview because it has the more weightage. So guys, this is all from the today's video. If you are preparing for 2022 program, you can interact live with us. So call or WhatsApp on this number and also on these respective numbers. If you want a classroom preparations, you can join us at these respective places, and wanna enroll for the online programs, visit at manuaedu.com/BBentrance. So you can enroll for the books or ebooks, mock tests, sectional course, and also for the full course. So if you are preparing for any of the round of the CUET 2021 for first round, second or third, get the packages as per your requirement. To get the regular updates, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So this is all. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.